Hi guys! So pakita ko lang very quickly na ang aming hotel. Nandito kami sa Ximending. So Lin Inn in itong old building dito sa may Ximending. So very very humble itong room namin. We got this for a very affordable price. So I'll just put the link in the description box and the cost of this hotel when we got it. So ito lang yung room namin. Very straightforward. So this room is good for 2. So yan yung yung may bed kami dito. Yan, so mukhang comfy naman yung bed. Tingnan natin na. Yan, tapos meron kaming side table. And then meron kami dito parang maliit na table for siguro working area. And then we have a AC. And then in here we have yung aircon, yung remote control ng aircon, and then and no smoking guys, pero parang amoy usok. Yan yung wall namin, no. 'Di ba? Very aesthetic ba ang wall namin? Ay, wallpaper lang pala. Kala ko tiles. Oo, and then dito merong mga hanger na 3 piraso. Ay, 4 pala. And very important 'yan. And ito may TV. I'm not sure kung kung smart TV, but hopefully smart TV siya para makapag-YouTube tayo. And then we have another side table here. And then dito meron kaming ref. And I'm sure itong water ay free. Ayan, so lagay natin yung water sa ref para lumamig. Ayan. And then, kagandahan dito, meron kaming window. At ang view namin ay ang Ximending. Ayan. So, kaso lang di makita. Ayun o. Yan o, Ximending na yan, yung area na yan. So, ayan yung 7-Eleven. Pag pinasok nyo dun banda, Ximending area na yan. So, yan, may 7-Eleven kaming malapit. Parang 3 minutes walk lang yan, or less than pa nga. Yan ang aming view. And then here is our toilet and bath. Na, I think, decent naman, malinis naman. We have a large sink here. Merong outlet, and then meron ditong blower. Ayan, may towel kami. And then yeah, shower na. Sana hot shower siya. Ayan, at may shampoo and body wash na siya. Ayan. Ang baba ng ceiling niya, guys. I think okay na tong hotel na to for its price. And for its location. Okay na tong hotel na to. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung price nito. Tingnan ko lang saglit ha. Papakita ko na sa inyo. So, ayan guys. So, nasa screen nyo ngayon. Nagtingin ako ng room rate niya. Siyempre, hindi yung today. Kasi pag yung today na date na siya binook, mas mahal yung magiging rate niya. So, usually, diba, nag-book naman tayo ng hotel natin. Nagka-plan tayo ng ating travel mga 6 months. And guys, this is in the heart of Ximending. It's like 2 minutes walk lang from the central Taipei, wherein everything is happening pagkagabi. And usually, ito ang mga tourist spot 101 here in Taiwan. So, yun lang muna.